Today I'm going to upgrade the grips on my Trek Farley 5. I'm going to be using these Ergon GA2 grips. These are orange. They're going to match the color scheme of the bike a lot better than the ugly stock grips. So let's get started. In addition, I picked up these race face pedals. These are the Chester model. Let's go ahead and get these open. I'll give you a quick look at them. Again, the color scheme is going to match the bike a lot better than the pedals that I currently have on there. These are flats, as you can see, with the screw-on grips. And these are composite. They're not metal. I like to say composite and not plastic. It doesn't sound near as cheap. These are very high quality pedals though, especially for the price. You really can't go wrong. So these are fantastic. I went ahead and moved the fat bike to the shop here. As you can see, there's the stock grips that are on it. They're not comfortable at all. I don't like them. They're kind of plain. These are these, I shouldn't say the stock pedals. This thing doesn't come with any pedals. These are just some flats that I had laying around. And obviously these things are ugly and they're going to get replaced. Okay, pro tip, I'm going to show you the fastest way to replace grips on a bike. You're going to need one of these, an air compressor. So if you happen to have one of these laying around and with one of these attachments, super simple. You just take the attachment like there. There should be a little hole in the end of the grip. If not, go ahead and poke one in there. If you don't feel like poking a hole in the end of the grip, you can also come in from this side over here, but you do risk scratching your paint if you go in from this side. Just go ahead and slip the nozzle in. Might want to grab the other side. Sometimes the other side comes off. Slip that nozzle right there into that end. Just like that. It is absolutely that easy to take the grip off. So easy. Let's go to the other side and I'll show it again. Over on this side, slide the nozzle in that hole. A little bit of air, slides right off. Perfect every time. Don't have to worry about damaging your paint or struggling with it. As you can see now, our handlebars are clean. These are marked so you can cut them if you want to. And we're ready to install the new ones. Remember to always save your old bike grips because you might need them for another project. A couple of which I will link in the description below. There we go. Ergon grips are screw-on grips, so they're very, very easy to get on. I do have another video on those around here someplace. So I'm not going to show you exactly how I did that. There's the pedals. Just used a pedal wrench and took the old ones off, put the new ones on. Pretty self-explanatory there as well. You can see that other one. And hopefully you can see how the color scheme matches the bike a lot better than all that factory stuff. Other than that, that's it. I'll see you next time.